Alf, not sponsored by the postcode lorry or the chocolate gander from the pound shop. So we got to see what's under day number 10. Number 10, here we go. Number 10, number 10. Ba 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 ba, number 10. Here we go, number 10. Oh, what we got there? Stay. Oh, we got a bit of a prickly holly there. Nice bit of prickly holly, you know what I mean? Eh? Very much. Right, postcode lottery, here we go. Number 10. New door, number 10. Open it up. We've got a couple of scientists there studying whatever they're doing. The Royal Zoological Society of Scotland is able to carry out cutting-edge science to research the project to protect endangered species. Good. And protect people like everyone in the world from this bloody virus what's going around. And hopefully it's the end of it. So get one research, one cure to cure it all. That's what it should happen. Not stretch it. Oh look, next year there'll be another virus. Oh, we got to have another injection. Oh, there's another virus. Got another one. No, we're not pin cushions, people. One cure, done. Easy. Got enough money to do it. Anyway, let's see what's under the old cracker. The old Alf the twat. Does it pop? No, it doesn't pop. Oh, cheap, nasty bastards. Here we go then. Let's do that. Joke of the day's fallen down. We have got the same stickers. You cheap bastards. Snowman, robin, tree and a leaf to wipe underneath. So the same stickers, the same hat for a twat, but it doesn't matter, people, because it's a bit of fun. What we got here? Joke of the day. What can you make can't be seen? What can you make can't be seen? A noise. It's true, look, a noise. Can you read that? I didn't get it, do you get it? No. Anyway, you've been watching Mike and the Big Headed Twat Alf on door number 10, and you've been watching Mike's chat on 4K eyebrow, and here's a message.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.